In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete custom terminology dictionaries. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Advanced. From the drop-down menu, select Terminology. You should arrive at your organization's terminology page. Right now, I'm viewing a standard terminology dictionary. If I want, I can create a new dictionary that has my own custom terminology in it. In order to do that, click the Add button in the upper right-hand corner. Then select the parent dictionary. So I could choose the standard one, or I can click this arrow and choose a custom dictionary I've already created and make a similar one. I'm going to choose the standard dictionary. Then give your new custom terminology dictionary a name. Let's call this Example. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this dictionary, click Close. I do, so I will select Save. And now my new example dictionary has been created. Right now, all of the terms are set for the standard because that's the parent dictionary I chose. To change a term, click on that term. And now I can create a custom term for any of the English, French, or Spanish versions of this dictionary. I'm going to change the English US terms only for now. So let's say in this first box, instead of saying assign now, I just want to say assign. Well, I can click over here in the English US box and type assign. If you're happy with your new custom term, click Save. And now that term has been saved. Notice the green save bar in the upper right-hand corner, letting you know when you last saved this term. I can do the same thing with any of the other ones. Maybe instead of saying add bid, I just want to say bid. Again, I do need to click Save in order for this term to go into effect. Notice that none of these terms are appearing in the chart. In order for that to happen, I do need to click the Reload button in the lower right-hand corner. But you don't want to do that until you've finished changing all of your terms. Let's say I changed more than those two and I'm done and I'm ready. Then click the Reload button in the bottom of your screen. Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to reload this terminology section right now. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now my dictionary has been reset to this new custom one. Notice that in the custom column, those two sections that I changed have been added. Let's say I want to change the settings for one of my custom dictionaries. I can click the arrow next to Custom 1, and I'll choose Example, the one we just created, and then I will select Edit. Now I can change those fields that were created when I added this dictionary. Let's say I want to change the parent dictionary to Custom 1. And instead of Example for the name, I can select Example, and maybe I'll put Custom 2. If you changed your mind and you don't want to save these changes, click Close. I do, so I will select Save. And now those changes have been saved. Let's say instead of updating this new dictionary, I just want to delete it altogether. I can click that Edit button again and choose Delete. Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this custom dictionary. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that dictionary has been deleted. That's how you can add, edit, and delete terminology in Teamwork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your Teamwork 5 account.